Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm doing draw this in your style challenge. In on Instagram, if you see, then you will find so many challenges like draw this in your style challenges. I always participate in such challenges, so here I'm doing another one for draw this in your style challenge. So I thought let's make a video on it, that how I draw, how I colored this, how I draw this. That's why I'm doing it. Its subject is art block girl. That's why I'm drawing it. At first I'm using lemon yellow color. For the background and some part of the cloth, I'm using lemon yellow color. Use water to spread the color properly. Now I'm using red color. Actually there is no pink color in watercolor. In case of making the color, you need to mix a lot of water with little bit of red color, and you will have the pink color. Or else you also can mix the red color with white color. You can also have kind of pinkish color in that way too. Now I am using a mixture of lemon yellow color and scarlet lake red color. For the skin color I am using this mixture. You can use directly brown color or yellow ochre color for the skin tone. It depends on you that what kind of skin color you want. Now I'm drawing the hair. At first, for the first layer I'm using lemon yellow color. Now colored the box with burnt sienna color. It's a brown color. It's a box, that's why I'm coloring it with a burnt sienna, a brown color. Now I'm coloring the hand. If you love my videos, then don't forget to hit the subscribe button. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and please visit my Instagram for more art. If you visit my Instagram, then you will see that I have done so many draw this in your style challenges that I have participated. You can also see those drawings. I will tell you that to participate on draw this in your style challenges, because it will help you to grow as an artist, and it will help you to play with some new characters, new way. It's good. So if you want, then you can also try the draw this in your style challenges. It will be better if you participate in one. Now I'm drawing the hair with sap green color. Draw the hair like this. If you draw something, anything, if you want to tag me, then you can, because I would love to see your drawing. So if you draw something, so please tag me on Instagram. Now I'm using scarlet lake color little bit to make it little bit cute, like little bit blush. My dad said he really liked it, this drawing. He really liked it, and I also liked this one too. For the shadows, you can use the red color. Now I am using Viridian Hue green color for the hair. Draw this in your style challenges are good, because you can have a topic and then you can draw anything in your style and someone will see it. It's good. Someone will give you a subject and you are drawing on that topic, you are drawing the character in your style. It's really good. So I will tell you to please, if you find something like this, then please participate it, then, because these are good practice. Now I am using black gel pen for the outline. I really love my draw this in your style challenges, because those are really pretty. I really like it. Yeah, maybe you're thinking that, oh, she is just praising herself. It's not like that. It's true that those are really, really good. I liked it. I wanna say that I liked it. That's the fact. If you do outline of your drawing, then it will enhance the your art. It will uh, I always try to put outlines in my drawings. It will make your art look good. That's what I feel. That's why I do it with outline. If you want to do it with your brush and black color, you can do it too, but if you use a pen like a gel pen, then it will be more good because you will have the good grip. If your outlines are a little bit shaky or not perfect, then it will affect your it will affect your paintings, drawing, portrait, or whatever you draw. So please, if you want to go with the brush, just stay a little bit careful. It will help you. And if you want, then you can also use gel pen like me, but please make sure don't use water for this. Like always you have to draw the outlines at the last moment of your paintings. After finishing your paintings, use the outlines that you will draw with black gel pen. Because if you paint it, then the outlines with gel pen, and you start to color again, then it will spread because it's a gel pen. It's not water resist or waterproof pen. At least my pen is not waterproof. That's why I have to use it after finishing my drawing. I always use it. So if you want, then you can also use it too. Now I'm putting some highlight on the glasses. It's done. Thank you for watching. Like, comment, share, subscribe. Bye.